Welcome, everyone. This is our very first English for Beginners podcast, and I'm so excited you're here with us.
Me too. My name is Emma, and I can't wait to start learning English alongside everyone listening.
I'm Alex, your English teacher. Emma and I will guide you, and we promise it's going to be fun. All you need to do is listen, repeat, and smile.
Exactly. Let's practice speaking English together, step by step.
Let's warm up with greetings, those friendly words we use when we see someone.
Like when I say, "Hello, Alex," or "Hi." I've always liked how simple hello feels.
That's it. And depending on the time, we get fancy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or even good night before bed.
So many ways to make someone feel welcome. I never realized how many greetings start with good.
Something that pops up all the time in English is, "How are you?" It's such a classic opener.
I like that it shows you care. And I can respond, "I'm good, thank you," or even "I'm great today."
Exactly. And sometimes, if you're not feeling amazing, just, "I'm okay," is totally fine.
I'm definitely going to use that. It feels natural, especially if you want to keep things simple at first.
Switching gears a bit, let's talk about basics every beginner needs. Numbers, days of the week, and objects you see every day.
Last week we got stuck on the word Wednesday. It's trickier than it looks, but practicing the days in order really helped me.
Oh, Wednesday trips up almost everyone. And counting up to 20 can feel like a big win when you get it down.
Plus, learning words for things nearby like table, book, and door makes it easier to talk about your day, even if you know just a few sentences.
Now for the tasty part, food and drinks. These words pop up in so many conversations.
Yummy is right. I always feel more confident when I can say, "I like apples," or "I drink tea." It feels like real life.
It's true. The same goes for talking about daily routines. Waking up, brushing teeth, going to work or school.
And don't forget fun stuff, playing, studying, or just chatting with friends. It's amazing how these basics open up so many possibilities.
All these pieces add up. So let's try a mini conversation. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Emma. How are you today? It's fun putting it all together.
And practicing with us, or even just in the mirror, really helps it stick. Don't be afraid to talk to yourself in English.
I do that all the time. Even simple phrases feel good to say out loud. The more you repeat, the easier it gets.
Before we wrap up, let's celebrate what we covered: greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, and everyday actions. That's a lot for one episode.
Honestly, I'm proud. Practice really does make perfect, and it's fun to see how much we can say already.
Keep practicing a little each day. Listen again, repeat the words, and you'll be surprised how fast you improve.
Thanks, Alex, and thanks everyone for learning with us. Can't wait to do this again next time.
You're all doing great. See you soon, everyone.
Bye-bye.